Hello everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to reset your chats in Telegram A handy feature for refreshing the app and fixing any minor issues with your conversations. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Once inside, tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner of your screen to open the main menu. From here, select Settings to navigate to the Settings page. Now, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the Settings page. You'll notice a section that displays the current version of Telegram. Tap and hold on the version information for a moment. A small pop-up message will appear, asking you to long press again to access the debug menu. Go ahead and tap and hold the version information once more. When the debug menu appears, scroll through the options until you see one labeled Reset Chats. Tap on Reset Chats, and the app will refresh your conversation interface, clearing out any minor glitches or cached issues. And that's it! You've successfully reset your Telegram chats. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.